morning, class 9, subject science, group B. Today you are practicing model wise questions. Number 1, group B number 1. Prove that बाट हामी सुरु गर्छौँ. Today's topic, prove that जति सबै एक ठाउँमा. Number A, eta equal ma by dr into 100%, b equal u plus at, s equal ut plus half at square, t b square equal u square plus twice as, f equal ma, k equal half md square, rho equal ra by l, and sigma equal l by ra. You have to prove that. Model wise we deal with the solution. A number. How to prove eta equal ma by dr into 100? Let eta for efficiency, ma mechanical advantage, Vr velocity ratio. And how to prove? Left hand side eta equal formula output by input, output energy by input energy into 100%. This is by definition. What is this called? By definition. Formula. Output is load into load arm, input effort into effort arm into 100%. Formula of output, useful work done by the machine, load into load arm, input effort into effort arm. Now arrange in such a way that there is a formula. Arrange हुने गरी कसरी नि L by E माथि न्युमरेटरमा लोड by effort, डिनोमिनेटरमा ED by LD into 100%. Arranging load by effort is MA, ED by LD VR into 100%. This is RHS. Therefore, eta equal MA by VR into 100%. Eta equal output by left hand side, output by input. Definition. Output is load into load arm, input effort into effort arm. यसलाई एरेन्ज गर्ने लोड अपन इफोर्ट डिभाइडेड बाई इडी बाई एलडी. यसलाई रेसिप्रोकल गर्दा यही आउँछ. लोड अपन इफोर्ट मेकानिकल एडभान्टेज इडी बाई एलडी बिआर इन्टु 100%. डिफरेन्स बिट्विन पनि हामी लेख्न सक्छौँ एमए एन्ड बिआर. मेकानिकल एडभान्टेज इज अफेक्टेड बाई फ्रिक्सन, भेलोसिटी रेसियो इज नट अफेक्टेड बाई फ्रिक्सन. MA is less than VR, VR is more than MA. Formula MA, load by effort, VR formula ED by LD. Therefore, eta equal MA upon VR into 100%. This formula is useful to solve the numerical problems in simple machine. Question number 1, 1A, B. B is very easy. To solve B number, you have to write down the definition. Let A for acceleration, B final velocity, U initial velocity, T for time. By definition, what is the definition of acceleration? Change in velocity upon time taken. Rate of change of velocity or acceleration is denoted by A. Change in velocity. Final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken. Change भन्नाले rate of change of velocity. or b minus u equal at. Therefore b equal u plus at. Minus becomes plus, u plus हुन्छ यहाँनिर, not u into at होइन, u plus at. This formula is useful used to find the velocity of a body whose acceleration is a and initial velocity is u after time t. अर्थात् u भेलोसिटीले गइरहेको बडीको टी टाइम पछि एक्सेलरेसन ए छ भने त्यसको भेलोसिटी कति हुन्छ भन्ने कुरा पत्ता लगाउनलाई, टु फाइन्ड द फाइनल भेलोसिटी v इक्वल u प्लस एटी. अब इन द सेम वे s इक्वल ut प्लस हाफ एटी स्क्वायर यु क्यान प्र्याक्टिस, यो पनि प्र्याक्टिस गर्न सकिन्छ. f इक्वल ma, k इक्वल mb स्क्वायर, दुईटा हामी गर्छौँ. First, f equal ma. C number is practice yourself, try it yourself. D number also try it yourself. But for the sake of convenience, I will solve. Let s equal distance traveled, u initial velocity, सुभात SU VAT, SB final velocity T for time taken, A for acceleration produced. We know by the formula what is the distance traveled. This is average velocity into time taken or distance is denoted by s. Average velocity भन्नाले final velocity plus initial velocity by 2 into t. Average equal v is already proved, u plus at plus u upon 2 into t. Because v equal u plus at. यसलाई u plus u 2u plus at upon 2 into time equal. अब यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने 2ut plus at square by 2. यो 2 र 2 काट्न पाइदैन. Now separate it. Twice ut by 2 plus at square by 2. Cancel ut plus half at square. Therefore s equal ut plus half at square. अब यसलाई प्रुभ गर्दा फुल फर्म लेख्ने s u b a t सुभात फुल फर्म. राइट डाउन द फुल फर्म. We know distance travel equal average velocity into time. Average velocity v plus u by 2 into t. v को ठाउँमा u plus at, u को u, simplify it, multiply by t, separate the fractions, and s equal ut plus half at square. C number finished. Now D number. To solve D number, D square equal u square plus twice s. We know distance traveled equal average velocity into time taken t. Distance traveled is denoted by s, not solver. Average velocity v plus u by 2 into t. In this case, time is unknown. Time is neither given nor asked. Time दिएको पनि छैन, सोधेको पनि छैन. Or the time हटाउने formula v plus u by 2 into time is v minus u by a, because a equal v minus u by t. A equal v minus u by t. T टी यता आउँछ, ए तल आउँदा टाइम हटाउ, टी हटाउने, रिमुभ टी, एन्ड टी इक्वल भी माइनस यू अपन ए, और एस भी प्लस यू, भी माइनस यू, भी स्क्वायर माइनस यू स्क्वायर बाई ट्वाइस ए, और क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, therefore v square equal u square plus twice a s, proved. This formula is used to find the final velocity of a body whose acceleration is a, distance traveled is s, initial velocity u, and when time is unknown, time नभएमा यो फर्मुला लगाइन्छ, v square equal u square plus twice s. Find the value of u square plus twice s and finally take the square root. अर्को छ e equal ma, f equal ma. E, to prove f equal ma, you have to state Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion states that the acceleration produced is directly proportional to the applied force F and inversely proportional to the mass m. Relation between a and m, relation between a and m. It means acceleration is directly proportional to the force. Equation number 1, when mass is constant, you have to write down the condition. Mass constant by ma, acceleration is directly proportional to force. More force, more acceleration. Less force, less acceleration. Acceleration is inversely proportional to mass. What condition? When force is constant. Force applied is constant. Acceleration is inversely proportional to mass. More mass, less acceleration. Less mass, more acceleration. Combining we get acceleration is directly proportional to force of mass. Force माथि m त, or cross multiply ma, or f equal k times ma, where k is force constant. यसलाई हटाउने के लेख्ने, f equal k times ma, when force is 1 Newton, mass 1 kg, acceleration is 1 meter per second square, then k is also 1. Force 1 Newton राख्ने, mass 1 kg, acceleration 1 meter per second square, then the value of k is also 1. Therefore f equal k times ma, 1 times ma, and ma proved. Force depends upon mass and acceleration directly. Now another is ke equal half mv square. First acceleration and force, acceleration and mass, combining and put f equal k times ma, put f equal 1 Newton, 1 kg, 1 meter per second square, then k equal 1. In this case f equal ma. This formula is used to find the force of a body whose mass is m and acceleration is a. Mass m र acceleration a भएमा force निकाल्ने formula. Now k equal half mv square. How to prove? equal half mv square. We know work done equal, or you can write this way, left hand side equal kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means work done. Work done, O, W. That is force into displacement. By the definition of work is force into displacement. Force is F, displacement is S. Force from Newton's second law of motion, force F ma, distance la S man. Force ma, distance S. M acceleration formula v minus u by t, distance v plus u by 2 into t. By the formula of acceleration v minus u by t, distance v plus u by 2 into t, value equal t cancel, no m into v square minus u square upon 2 by simplification, m v square minus u square by 2, because u equals 0. The body is at rest initially. पहिला यो बडी रेस्टमा भएकोले युको भ्यालु 0 गरेको. Now what comes? Half mv square, right hand side. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Kinetic energy, work done, force into distance, force F, distance S. Force ma, Newton's second law of motion, distance S. A, v minus u by 2, v minus u by t, S, v plus u upon 2 into t. Simplify it, m v square minus u square by 2. So u equals 0 because the body is at rest at first. Simplify half mv square. Kinetic energy equal half into mass into square of the velocity. So kinetic energy is the energy of a body due to its motion. Mass चाहिन्छ, velocity चाहिन्छ. Now G, and the last question is G. How to prove it? G number rho R A by L and sigma L by R A. First of all, write down their short forms. Let is rho for resistivity. Resistance of a body having 1 meter length, 1 square meter area. This one is conductivity A, area of cross section, and L, length of the conductor. We know by experiment, resistance is directly proportional to length and resistance is inversely proportional to area. We know resistance directly proportional to length, inversely proportional to area. Combining, what we get? Resistance is L by A, or यो साइनलाई हटाउँदा R L by A. So यस्तो हुन्छ. So sin, where rho is the resistivity, or cross multiply rho L equal R A, or rho equal R A by L proved. And by definition, and conductivity is 1 by resistance, by conductivity equal 1 upon resistivity by definition. 1 upon resistivity value R A by L. This is 1, this is L. Reciprocal करूँ 1 into L by RA. L upon RA. Therefore, what you can write? You can write resistivity RA by L and conductivity L upon RA proved. यस्तो किसिमले हामी प्रुभ गर्न सक्छौँ. State. Also say some questions related to state. Question number 1. Finish. Prove that. Group B go. Question number 2. State the following. State the following. Statement जति जम्मै म एक सय भनिदिन्छु पढ्न सजिलो होस् विद्यार्थीको लागि भनेर. Statement number A is law of movement. What is the statement of law of movement? के हो त? डिफाइन हो नि हो. Law of movement भन्नाले के हो त भन्दा the law of movement states that for body to be in equilibrium, for body to be in equilibrium, the total clockwise movement about a point is equal to the total anti-clockwise moment about the same point. The law of movement states that for body to be in a balanced condition or in equilibrium condition, the total clockwise movement about a point is equal to the total anti-clockwise movement about the same point. A number is third law. Third law, it states that to every action there is always an equal and opposite reaction. To every action there is always an equal and opposite reaction. In the same way, you can prove, you can state second law of motion, first law of motion, Darwin's law, Darwin's theory, you got De Vries theory, etc. Question number 2B. 2C. Newton's second law, already written. The acceleration is directly proportional to the force and inversely proportional to mass. I have written this. First law. Sometimes this law can also be asked. यसलाई पनि सोध्न सक्छ. यसलाई पनि स्टेट गर्नु होला. यसलाई स्टेट गर्दा it states that every object in the universe continues to be in its state of rest or uniform motion unless if not, unless an external impressive force is applied on it to change that position. It means necessity of the force. Force is very necessary. It states that every object in the universe continues to be in its state of rest or uniform motion unless an external impressive force is applied on it to change that position. D number. E. Darwin's law. Darwin's theory in 5 points. Can you state Darwin's theory? Overpopulation. Population धेरै हुन्छ. Number 1. Number 2 is if there is overpopulation, struggle for existence. बाँच्नको लागि सङ्घर्ष हुन्छ. Then natural selection or survival of the fittest. Another is heredity and variation. Finally, origin of new species. Number 1, overpopulation. 2, struggle for existence. 3, natural selection or survival of the fittest. 4, heredity and variation. 5, origin of new species. नयाँ जीवको उत्पत्ति हुनु. E. ABCD E. Then last is Lamarck's theory. What is Lamarck's theory? Lamarck's theory, or it is also called Lamarckism, in 3 points. Number 1, environmental effect on organisms. प्राणीहरूमा वातावरणको असर हुन्छ. Environment plays a great role on organisms. Number 1. 2, use and disuse of organs. Those organs which are used become strong, which are not used become passive or reduced. Another is inheritance of acquired character. The characters after birth will be inherited according to Lamarckism. Number 1, environmental effects on organisms, use and disuse of organs, inheritance of acquired character. But this can be proved to be wrong. This much for today. Thank you.